What if you could lower your electricity bill every single month without even thinking about it? Here in Germany, we're all feeling the pinch of high energy costs, or Stromkosten. But the solution might be simpler and cheaper than you think. Today, we're looking at 3 simple smart gadgets, most under 30 euros, that are designed to do one thing: save you money. These aren't expenses, they're investments. Welcome to Sense and Sensors. First up, the essential starting point for any smart home, the smart plug. You can get a quality one for about 15 euros. The problem is vampire power. Your TV, game console, and computer setup all draw power from the wall, even when they're turned off. This standby power can cost you a surprising amount of money over a year. The solution is incredibly simple. Plug one of these devices into the smart plug. Now you can set a schedule in an app to completely cut the power every night while you sleep, or during the day when you're at work. No more vampire power drain. The ROI. By cutting standby power from just a couple of power-hungry devices, you can easily save 20 to 30 euros per year. This tiny gadget pays for itself in under a year, and then continues to save you money. Next, let's talk about lighting with a smart LED bulb. A good one can cost as little as 10 euros. The problem is obvious. People forget to turn off lights. Every hour a light is on in an empty room, you're just throwing money away. Plus, many homes still have older, inefficient bulbs. The solution? A smart bulb is, first and foremost, a hyper-efficient LED. But its real power is in automation. You can schedule your lights to turn off at midnight, or even link them to your phone's location so they shut off automatically when you leave the house. No more wondering, did I leave the kitchen light on? The ROI here is incredibly fast. Just replacing one older bulb with a smart LED can save you over 15 euros a year. It pays for itself in a matter of months. And our third gadget, the smart power strip. Think of this as the ultimate weapon against vampire power for about 30 to 40 euros. The problem is your command center, the home office or the TV setup. You have a monitor, speakers, a printer, a console, a charger, all plugged in, all silently costing you money. The solution is total control. A smart power strip lets you kill the power to everything at once, on a schedule or with a single tap on your phone. Some advanced models even let you control each socket individually. When you turn off your computer, the strip can automatically shut off the power to your monitors and speakers. The ROI is massive. For a setup with a lot of electronics, a smart power strip can easily save you 40 to 50 euros per year. It pays for itself in less than 1 year and becomes a pure profit center for your home. So there you have it. 3 simple, affordable devices focused on one thing: cutting your electricity bill. You're not just buying tech, you're investing in efficiency. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Here at Sense and Sensors, we're all about finding the smart home tech that makes financial sense. Thanks for watching.